The Lok Sabha today took up the Finance Bill 2025 for consideration and passing. The bill seeks to give effect to the financial proposals of the central government for the financial year 2025 to 2026. Initiating the discussion, Shashi Tharoor of Congress said that the GST regime in the country is very complex. He alleged that small sweet shops are paying 18% GST, but they are unable to get input credit due to the absence of a harmonized system of nomenclature, HSN, code. Mr. Tharoor said there should be relief for the common man who is paying tax to the government. He termed this finance bill as a classic case of what he called a patchwork solution. Nishakant Dubey of BJP said, "The whole world is facing an economic crisis, but India has emerged as a bright spot in the last 10 years. Mr. Dubey said 28% GST has been imposed on online gaming to keep a check on its unrestrained growth. He said online gaming harms youngsters and they are spending their parents' hard-earned money on betting. Mr. Dubey said the government has brought rationalization in GST rates. The BJP MP added that to make life-saving medicines more affordable to the poor, the government has reduced tariffs on 36 such medicines in the union budget. He also said the government has also rationalized the tariff on textiles to promote the handloom sector. Participating in the discussion, Neeraj Maurya of the Samajwadi Party said the government should give more focus to the welfare of SCs, OBCs and minorities in the budget. He said that without their development, the dream of a developed India cannot be fulfilled. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.